Hi, my name is Brandon Collins and I'm a corporate chef for Unilever Food Solutions. Today we're going to talk about cream soup base. And the beauty about the LeGout Cream Soup Base is that it reacts just like bechamel in a bag. So we are going to take this and show you how to quickly produce it. So we're going to take 1 cup of the powder and we're going to mix that in with 3.5 cups of water to give us 1 quart of product. What else about this is awesome is that it's cheaper than cream. So again, it can save you some money as well at the end of the day. It's going to give you consistency across the board. So again, one of the beauties of this product is the ability for it to swell in cold water. So this gives us the ability to make things cold, or we can heat it up and make them hot. I absolutely love being able to utilize it in different things like mac and cheese, utilizing it as a Dijon mustard cream sauce for chicken. And it works extremely well in facilities that are focusing on senior living and things along that line as well, because again, it gives you a ton of flavor and a ton of stability. You can make things in large batches and be able to pop them in the freezer and pull them out because it is freeze-thaw stable as well. We've already taken it, it's thickened. We are going to add some pecorino cheese to it. We are going to make a white pizza. We're gonna add some roasted garlic as well. So we can take this, put it on top of our pizza dough and pop it directly in the oven. It's also shelf stable until you add the water to it, right? So you can keep some space in your refrigerator as well until you need it. You make a little bit, you can make a lot. It doesn't matter. It gives you that flexibility, right? We are also going to add some blanched broccoli right here on top of it as well. We are then also going to take a little bit of ricotta cheese and just kind of dollop it across the top. We're gonna pop this right into the oven. All right, so now we're gonna pull it out of the oven. Again, just a couple of minutes, and you have a beautiful flatbread with white sauce, broccoli, and ricotta. A little bit of roasted garlic in there as well.